Chuck out here. He's got a big redfish on. Janine, they just got married yesterday. He's got a big redfish coming in. We're out here fishing with charter boat captain Greg Hood with tarpoons.com. Looks like a nice fish. Could be about 9 pounds. Janine's got the net. Janine, right? Yep. Just right in. Yeah, let him go right in the net. Oh. You might have to stand up, Chuck, and walk back a little bit. That way it'll go right in the net.
Doesn't like the boat.
You may want to tighten that drag just a little bit, not too much. There you go. Big fish. Okay, bringing that around, Lift it. Here. Oh, you gotta pop the line off. Let go. Let go. Okay. Now try. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay, there he is. Now just let him come right into the net, right? Ready? Go down, go down. Oh my gosh, she's so big he doesn't even, and that's a big net. Holy crap, look at the size of that thing.
No, that's
Hey, somebody hold this fish so you can actually see how big it is. Look at that. Here's that tool. Got him? Don't touch this part right here, the black part. There you go. Hold him up. Turn him so I can see his side. Look at that. Woohoo!